Investing can often seem like a daunting endeavor, especially for retail investors who might not have extensive resources or expertise. However, numerous investment strategies can help individual investors grow their wealth. Understanding these strategies is crucial for making informed decisions that align with personal financial goals. One popular investment strategy for retail investors is the buy and hold approach. This method involves purchasing stocks, bonds, or other assets and holding on to them for an extended period, regardless of market fluctuations. By adopting this long-term perspective, investors may benefit from the compounding effects of interest and potential capital appreciation. Historically, the stock market has shown resilience over the long term, making this strategy appealing for those looking to build wealth gradually. Another approach is dollar cost averaging, a strategy that can help mitigate the effects of market volatility. By consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, investors can purchase more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This disciplined approach often reduces the average cost per share over time and can lead to significant gains, particularly during market downturns. Dollar cost averaging is ideal for retail investors who want to invest steadily without trying to time the market. For those looking to diversify their portfolios, exchange-traded funds or mutual funds are excellent options. These investment vehicles pool money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified range of assets, which can include stocks, bonds, or real estate. This diversification reduces risk since the performance of the portfolio is not reliant on a single asset. Retail investors can easily gain exposure to various sectors and holdings, enhancing their overall investment strategy while maintaining a balanced risk profile. Lastly, ethical or socially responsible investing is gaining momentum among retail investors. This strategy involves selecting investments that align with personal values and ethical considerations, such as environmental sustainability or social justice. Individual investors can choose funds that support companies with positive environmental, social, and governance practices. This approach not only allows investors to pursue financial returns, but also enables them to contribute to causes they care about, creating a sense of purpose alongside their investments. In conclusion, retail investors have a wide array of strategies at their disposal to build wealth effectively. Whether opting for a buy and hold strategy, practicing dollar cost averaging, diversifying through ETFs or mutual funds, or investing ethically, each approach carries its unique benefits. By understanding and exploring these investment strategies, individual investors can make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and values. Remember, the key is not just to invest, but to invest wisely.